was your sleep?
Alright, bed's rock hard. Listen.
Oh, you okay?
I'm fine.
Oh. Getting some drinks and snacks because we're heading off to a waterfall, which is like 15-20 minutes away. We're stoked up.
Ready? Wait for them.
Look at my helmet. I can't see a thing, look. We lost Abe, so we're just waiting for him here. Wow, look at this spot. It's a bit sketchy though. Oh! I'd love to zip down.
Yeah, I'll send it. Oh, it's...
Go on, you send it. Go on.
All the way, yeah?
Yeah.
What?
Whee! I told you it's scarier than it looks.
Yeah, man, I'm like, you're right, and look to the side. No, fucking...
Thank you. Good? Okay, yeah?
Whoa!
I was nowhere near you.
Okay, so
You come together?
his brother.
Okay.
Yes. This first.
This one first to clean the wound. It's no hurt, no irritation. And you use this one. No hurt. It's not alcohol.
Okay.
Just saline solution directly. You can put directly. And use this one, cotton, to clear the dust, the blood clot out. Yeah. Directly. No hurt, no irritation. A little bit.
I can take.
Yeah, a little bit.
I am strong.
But it will be good for you.
Okay.
It will be cure.
Yeah.
This one protect infection in the future.
How much every day? One, 2 times a day?
For the first few days, 2 times a day is good. First few days, you cleaning and you apply this one.
Okay.
It's very good. But for the night time, I strongly recommend to open. Because
while I sleep.
you don't have an activity. So you put this one and no need this. But in
We made it to the waterfall. We have like a 10-minute walk up there now. I still wanted to come to the waterfall. I don't want it to be the end of the day just because I've got a cut on my knee. I don't think I'm allowed to show it, but I got all the bits.
I thought like one famous itself, like overreacting and that. Second night I was like I just remember this.
My GoPro batteries. My GoPro's on 5%. I'm a fucking warrior. To the top. I think We've got Jamaican fries. He's going round. So this morning, about well, I don't know, what, 11 o'clock, all of our electric went off in our little bungalow, and Brad's bungalow over there. We couldn't charge none of our phones or nothing. Couldn't even see. And I was waiting till about 8 o'clock till it come back on, thinking, yeah, this place just turns their electric off at night, well, during the day, to save money. But now the woman says that we've been sabotaged.
Where did she go? In the back?
There's some French people over there, and they were being a bit funny last night. I think they've gone round and turned our electric off. Abe's gonna sabotage their electric now. We are in the phone expert shop, getting the phone fixed. It cost 1,900 baht, which is £44. It's basically the same as getting it done at home, but it's gonna be done in like, what, 5 minutes, and he needs it. So